Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a twin cam 1959 MGA. This is super rare, a lot of old school history. Please be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content. This beautiful car is painted in MG blue. We're going to start off with the front end. Extremely clean design, beautiful single grille right here. All the chrome and bright work is excellent. It was restored, frame off restored in 2000. The original purchaser, so we have full documentation of that. Jim Meyer purchased it in Germany while he was traveling Europe in 1948. 1949, it headed over to the dealership where he purchased it. It went to New York, and then it was shipped over to Milwaukee. You can notice that it has a twin cam badging right here and your MGA logo. The MG blue is beautiful. I'm gonna open up the front end real quick. This thing runs excellent, by the way. We're gonna take it for a ride shortly. There you go, you've got your Morris Motors number right here, 00149. The engine itself, so when Jim Morris purchased it, he purchased it to race, and that's what he did. So what's neat about it is the chassis super clean, and it didn't have any rust. So when they restored it in 2000, it was very easy to do. They painted every single surface, so when you lift this thing up in the air, if you look at our gallery, you're gonna see that it's extremely clean. All the wiring was redone, all the piping was redone, and the engine just sounds unbelievable going through the RPM range. You've got dual carbs right here, which is signature for the twin cam. If you look at the hood, you can see how nice all the braces are as well. They've got your generator right there. Let me go ahead and close it. As we go down the driver's side, you're gonna see that the body lines are extremely straight. When you look inside these fender wells, you're gonna see how nice the metal is. You've got your original style wheels right here with the Dunlop sticker, and it is running on Dunlops. The top is brand new, by the way. They just put that on, and it matches extremely nice. This comes off, but we're gonna leave it for the test drive so you can hear us. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door. You can see the rich red leather seats, and the dash has been wrapped as well, along with the door cards. Have a nice set of racing harnesses in there and a beautiful steering wheel. Transmission shifts great, and you're gonna see that in the video shortly. Just a beautiful car. I love the knobs on the dash. Oh, come over here and look at how nice this metal is, by the way. Super clean, that's where your trunk release is. You can see how nice that top is. Let's open this up. Beautiful, painted just like the exterior. There's no undercoating here to hide anything. That's metal. You got your spare tire and holder in place. And then that's your fuel fill. All the gaskets look great. Your latches look good, and then this is how you hold the trunk up. Everything was done with such perfection. I love it. Let's go ahead and close this. Good to go. You can see the twin cam badging on the rear as well. Taillights just look great. And then the passenger side looks even, just like the driver's side. What do you say we jump in it and go for a ride? We're inside the MGA right now. It is registered with the registry for MGAs. You can see how beautiful the dash is, the little mirror right here, and it has Jaeger gauges. It's showing 11,000 miles on the odometer. I know that when the prior owner purchased it, it had 14,000 miles on it on the actual chassis, and then they restored it completely. You can see your oil pressure gauge right here, your water temperature gauge, your RPM gauge. What's neat about it is you literally, to start it, you turn the key, and if it's cold, you're gonna pull the choke, but I think it's gonna start. It just starts right up like that. You just pull a little button. And the shifter, look at how cool that is. Look how small it is. First, second, third, fourth, and then reverse is over and back. Let's go ahead and put it in first and take it for a ride around Ravenswood. We decided to keep the top up so you could see how nice all the rails are. Oh, it sounds so cool. It's not popping out of gear. It feels really tight. Can you guess where the horn is? Right here. So cool. All right, we're in first gear. Second gear. Nice and smooth delivery. This is so cool. Runs and drives excellent. Close this a little bit so you can get better sound. There's Mattia. We're in fourth gear right now, going 50 miles per hour with no issues. If you're looking for a turnkey twin cam, this is it. Fully frame off restored in 2000. Give us a call at 954-363-2261. I'm gonna go ahead and turn right here and we'll give it a little bit of gas. Brakes feel really good, nice and even. Steering is responsive. Oh, this is great. All right, we're gonna try it out now. Here we go, first gear. Oh, that sound, so great. All right, we're gonna test out the brakes now. Brakes are even, just a solid car. We're gonna go back to Ravenswood, get some outside shots, and you can make your decision on if this is the right car for you. Remember, we have a full gallery, almost 50 photos with underside shots, and a nice description of this specific car with all the numbers written down. If you have any other questions, or if you wanna ship out of the United States, just give us a call.